So I am at TCS World 10K. That is the Electrobit company. Electrobit with K, Electro, K-T-R-O, I believe, Electrobit company. It's apparently an automotive-based company, and they are a software company, I believe, which provides tools to other companies, which are automobile companies like Ford, Ather, and all. So EV companies are just in general like automobile companies. So apparently they provide tools to work with and to configure, say, the electronic compute unit or something, ECU, electronic control unit, ECU. I just spoke with one of their employees, and so have their t-shirts being worn. I think it's a smart move by Electrobit. Great. And looking at the pillars, of course, of IDFC, and I'm actually in the space where Saregama was running their whole songs and whatnot. Yeah, of course, there are small pillars by IDFC over here. Damn, it's pretty sunny. I realize my hands are burning, so I'm actually carrying the water bottles, and the sunshine from outside is actually getting concentrated on my hands, I think, by the water. I don't know. Some interesting scientific concept, I guess. I should probably hold it like this to avoid the sun hitting the water and concentrating on my hands. I'll probably check it out. Anyway, so some more pillars by IDFC Bank, and I think they've done a great job, a good job, great job actually, amazing job. IDFC Bank putting all these pillars and their content, great stuff actually. So, for example, I love this thing about your potential will always be free and stuff like that. So this one talks about frequent training, and this one talks about how your potential is free, like you can just access your potential. But then of course the whole idea of like what is potential and why do you have to just reach your potential, why do you have to just keep pushing and all that, there's that also. I'm still always questioning things, thinking about stuff, but I don't think too much about potential, but I love improving myself always, and I don't look at potential or limits and whatnot, because potential is kind of like, you think about limits, like you have this potential, so don't you have more than that? Is the best. So I believe there's always more, and I'm very, ambitious and very greedy like that. Let's look at one more of their pillars. So yeah, I mean, that's it. So TCS has quite some folks wearing different kinds. So yeah, that's all. What else about TCS World 10K was great. I mean, it was great to actually see so many people. What wasn't so great, for example, I was actually surprised that they started the 5K run at 8:15. That's like a pretty sunny time to run, and the sun is not so great, and it's not really nice to people. It's pretty harsh over here, and I think a good running time would be, say, 4 a.m., 5 a.m. and all that, or 6 a.m. Right? They did start the 10K at that time only. But of course, I guess due to real estate issues, they wanted to reuse the space, I think, for the whole 10K, 5K and all. So they had to do this, I guess. The one big problem, this is the first time I had attended a big event like this, marathon event. This is not even a full marathon, that too. This is like a quarter marathon and like 1/8 of a marathon, less than that. And anyways, so many people, there's like a lot of people. And a lot of people were walking and all that. It was not easy to run, but however, I think in my case I was trying to run too fast, but mostly because I just wanted to go to a place where there are like not too many people, less people, but there are in all the whole way there are always people. And I think I could have just run slowly itself. I just paced. I was sprinting, I think, most of the time. But anyways, one good thing is I pushed myself. I just was hoping that I don't push myself too much that I can't even finish. At times I was walking, but yeah, that's all. So yeah, I mean, it was a very crowded event. So that's one thing about, like, you know, big marathons and all, big runs, big marathons. But it also has this whole thing about have all these kind of nice events and all, right? So looks like so this is the Saregama event that happened, right? So here they have DJ Turbulence and Pranav Chandran, a Saregama exclusive artist, Saregama. We have a big popular event like this, a lot of people come, of course. It was a bit crowded, not so easy to run. But at a normal pace you can run, like, you know, but if you are trying to run fast, it's not going to be easy. Like, I tried to pace around a lot, though I shouldn't have, given my health conditions. Like, as in, it's not that bad, but then still, I didn't strength train for a lot of time recently. I've paused it for a lot of time. So, but I paced to move to a place where there are less people, but there are always people. And then at times I was walking, I didn't like that. I was like, damn, I paced too much. And I finished my fuel. So I was like breathing a lot and whatnot, and I didn't drink water in between. The problem is sometimes I end up drinking too much water or less water, and then I should have just gone in a controlled pace always. But I was most of the time pacing fast, a bit slow sometimes, then again fast and whatnot. 2 times I was walking for a few minutes, let's say 1 or 2 minutes. Totally, I think I would have walked for like 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes max. Hopefully, I don't know. But my average pace was good actually, some 6 minutes something. I was really surprised by it. And, so you can see actually over here that there was DJ Turbulence, and then who else? DJ Pablo, and then there was Avinash Gupta, and then there was Pranav Chandran, and then there was who else? There was Jan Kumar Sanu. So these people were there. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, great event. I think Saregama did a good job. So you can see for Avinash Gupta and Jan Kumar and all. So, and then Pranav Chandran and all. So I think they did a great job over here with the entertainment and keeping the energy high and whatnot. So yeah, great event. I think I'm gonna head back home now. I think I've covered and seen everything that I wanted to see. And I'll probably see you folks on the next one. Bye bye.